What's going on, guys? In this video today, we're going to start showing you how you can leverage your YouTube videos by leaving links that's purpose-driven in your description box below and start making them sales that you're trying to make. I want to show you all that and how I do it coming up next. So welcome back to the video, guys. My name is Jay, and on this channel we do everything from tutorials and guides and how-to, showing you how you can turn your passion into a profit by using digital online resources. And today we're talking about why and then how you can start making money by getting your business online and using more so media to drive traffic to your site. And so if you're living under a rock right now, you know media consumption is just through the roof, especially while we're in this quarantine time, and we don't want any of your portions of your businesses to get missed because you're not leveraging the power of video. And so the main thing, if you have a brick and mortar business, the main thing you want to do is a highly recommended thing is get a website, or at least get some kind of social media presence, so that when you start making these video content for your potential buyers, you actually have some type of landing page, some type of website, or some type of digital space that you can actually get people to. The second thing that you want to do is find your target audience, right? Find out what audience you're trying to target, and then we're going to talk about how you can get your target audience to your website. So first thing is, who are you trying to service? What content are you creating that you're trying to actually give value to the potential people that you're speaking to? So for instance, if you are a computer tech person, or maybe you are a hair salon and you're trying to get more traffic to your site, then what can you offer to your potential buyers to actually get them over to the platform that you're using? Either it's a landing page, a website, or a social media platform. So for instance, if you are a hairstylist, or maybe if you are a barber, throw up some quick pics on your YouTube channel, or maybe your Instagram or your Facebook page, but you also want to give them value, right? Value through the roof, maybe through a buy one, get one, maybe through some products that you have that they can get at a discounted price. Value is key when it's talking about building relationships and communities with people online. So as always, get a platform, get a way of traffic that you want to drive to your main platform of use and provide high value to those that you actually want to service. So as always, guys, it's Jay, and I'll see you in the next video.